Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene, your skincare bestie. So today we are going to be curating a body care routine for dry skin. It's not like we are going to be doing something new, it's just like every other routine, but this one is it's kind of special. Yeah, it's kind of special, but you're going to find out what makes it special at the end of this video. If you have a dry skin, you already know how uncomfortable dry skin can be. Like, it's just there, it's not attractive, it's not glowing, it's not giving, it's just there. No matter what you do, it's not caring at all. We are going to be fixing that in this video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch to the end, because at the end you are going to be unlocking tips that will help you get the most result out of your product. Yeah, you heard me right. So make sure you watch to the end for you to be able to benefit from this tip. So for your body care routine, you'll be needing cleansing product, exfoliating product, and moisturizing product. For your product in general, you want to look at for certain ingredients like ceramide, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, urea, cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oils. You want to look out for these ingredients in your products, because this ingredient helps to attract lotion into your skin and help to lock it in, and also help to repair your skin barrier. For your cleansing products, you can try this Dove shea body wash. It contains shea butter, it contains vanilla. It helps to keep your skin moisturized right from the shower. It softens your skin, it doesn't strip your skin of its natural moisture. Or you can get this La Roche-Posay Lupica Epic Plus body wash. This body wash contains a lot of hydrating ingredients in it. It also contains niacinamide. That means it also gives you that brightening result when you use this particular body wash. It helps to soften your skin, it doesn't strip your skin of its natural oil, and it's also good for those that have sensitive skin. If you have a sensitive skin, you can go for this La Roche-Posay body wash. It is very good. Then let's talk about your exfoliating product. Exfoliating product help you to get rid of dead skin cell and help new cells to regenerate. Why you'll be needing exfoliation is because if you really want that soft skin, you want your skin to look finer, you want your skin to look attractive, you want every product that you are using to work well on your skin, then you cannot skip exfoliation. You need exfoliation, because that is the only roadmap to your dream skin. For the exfoliation, we'll be getting a body scrub. This one from the Dove Shea body scrub. You can get any of the Dove body scrub because they are very mild on the skin, and they are ideal for dry skin. It's a whipped body scrub. It has a creamy texture and it's very soft on the skin. It just gently slugs off dead skin cell on your skin. It is ideal for you to exfoliate your skin once in a week minimum and twice maximum in a week to get the most result out of your product. So let's dive into moisturization. For moisturization, I will be listing you products that you can try. You can get any one of them that you feel it will be okay for you. Okay, so for moisturization, number one on my list is the EOS body lotion. This EOS body lotion contains hyaluronic acid, shea butter. It is very moisturizing. It helps to lock in moisture for the longest on your skin. When you use this product, your skin will not get dry. You will not use this product, then after 2 minutes your skin will start looking ashy. No, if you use this product, your skin will stay moisturized for the longest. The second product on my list is this Eucerin body lotion. This is a repair body lotion for dry skin. If you have a dry skin, your dry skin is just so dry that it doesn't care at all. Like, no matter what you do, you've tried everything, but it's still not caring at all. This is the lotion that you need. It helps to repair stubborn dry skin. It contains exfoliating ingredients in it, and it contains moisturizing and hydrating ingredients in it that will help to keep your skin moisturized for the longest and fix that your dry skin that has refused to heal. Okay, another product on my list is this Nivea cocoa butter body cream with deep nourishing serum. This lotion contains cocoa butter, it contains vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. This lotion helps to moisturize your skin for the longest and lock in moisture. This is the kind of lotion that you use to give your skin that luminous soft glow. The last product on my list that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this one from the Jergens, this Lavender Dream. It contains African shea butter, it contains hyaluronic acid. It helps to soften your skin, it helps to heal your dry skin, keep it moisturized for the longest without complaining of, oh my god, I rub this pro lotion and this minute my skin is ashy. No, you are not going to complain. You see all those lotions that I listed for you, you will never complain of ashy skin or your skin looking dull after using this product. You will never complain of any of this. So try and get one of these products that I just listed. Then for your body oils, you need body oils to lock in moisture and to keep your skin moisturized for the longest, as to help keep your skin more moisturized. For body oils, we are using this one, this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. This body oil contains cocoa butter and is very good oil. So this is all for today. If you have watched this video till this end, congratulations, you just unlock the free hack that will help you to get the best out of your result. If you are still not subscribed to this point, please subscribe to this channel, share this video to somebody that might also need it. Okay, so for the hack, you need just 3 products. You need aloe vera gel, you need glycerin, and you need a rose water, not the cosmetic one. Okay, so this is what you are going to do. Before you get into the shower, you first of all get a small bowl. You take your any of the cream that you've decided to buy, you put the amount that you know that will be enough for you to apply on your body. You put it on the bowl, then you put glycerin and aloe vera gel. You mix it very well. When you're done mixing it, you keep it aside. Then you go into your shower. After you're done bathing, you're done doing everything that you want to do, you take your rose water and pour it on your body. Use it to rinse off tap water on your body. So once you're done doing that, you wait for some time, and then you take the mixture that you have aside, you apply it all over your body. After you've done that, then you lock it in with oil. If you do this continuously, the result you're going to get is going to wow you. Seriously, your dry skin is going to heal faster and your skin is going to get lighter. Don't forget, skincare is patient. You cannot just do something overnight and start expecting results the next day. It doesn't work that way. So you have to be patient and you have to be consistent with whatever routine that you're doing, because this is the only way that you're going to get the most result out of your product. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.